everybody. This is the latest purchase from Matt. He's the one that went halfers on me with the other small tug. This is hull 642, Russel Brothers built. It's called the Harris Bay. It's a 26 footer. And it's sitting right beside another big 37 footer, the Dryden 3, built 1947, I believe. Old little logging boat. The engine's out of it. Got the winch. There's quite a bit of ice in there now. And Matt over there cleaning snow off of it. Hull seems to be in pretty good condition. It's definitely holding water. That's the cooling pod for the engine. We'll look back. In there in a minute. She's kind of wedged in a couple big trees, but shouldn't be too bad to get out. You see the hull number on the front. If you ever find one of these, look at the bow. Flat plate 642 is the hull number for this one, right behind the big bow roller. Tree growing right up against it. That's the cable. 1/2 inch or 9/16. Used to carry half a mile of cable on these little tugs. Winch themselves forward, drop it on the anchor. There's the proud owner. Kicking the leaves right out of his tug. Okay, up on top here. Matt's just trying to get into the stern here. The steering gear. A gas tank down there, or fuel tank. This
is the water tank, that's the fuel tank.
That's the fuel tank, that's the water tank. The old grab rail, you can walk along the side here. Forgot to bring my skates. Fall down, get jabbed by some metal. See the shadow of a couple tanks there. And right along here is where all the official numbers stenciled in. That's how Matt found out the name, Harris Bay. Exhaust pipe. Not sure what this is. What's this, Matt?
That was the old water intake. It was originally raw water cooled, modified to have a cooling tubes
Yeah,
on
it's
the
got the
side.
cooling pod on the side, eh?
Yeah.
There's the old gears. What year was this? 1946?
Yeah.
1946. The old switches up here. Turn on the lights. Little plate there. Steelcraft. Russel Brothers on sound. Up on the bow. Not much up there anymore. A much smaller winch than the 1955 Brompton had, eh? Much smaller. Starting to lose light here. The rudder still turns. Give her a turn there, Matt. Got one thing that turns. Nice. Yeah. So that's the latest addition to Matt's fleet. So who'd the Harris Bay work for?
Sturgeon Lake Transportation Company.
Like Nipigon?
I'm not sure.
Or Sturgeon Lake?
I'm not even sure where this thing works.
Yeah.
Can't find anything on the place.
Take a quick look at the Dryden 3, 37 foot, 1947. There's not really much left in her either. Hull doesn't look too bad. Sun's getting a little bright. Looking on the bow. We're up to the front plate. You see the numbers 749. Hull number welded in. Got the horn still on it. Engine room. Engine's been taken out of it. This door has seen better days. Somebody mashed that. This one's got a big winch in it like the Okiko. It's got like 5/8 cable and a mile of it. I'm not sure what this was for. Probably went back to that chain over there. Self-wound. Manual winding for the cable, I think. The throttle. Huge fuel tank in the bow there. Nice big hornet's nest up there. Control for the engine gear case, which both are missing. Still got the pump in it. That's really all there is to these boats. The old door to the engine room, the bollards. Cabin's pretty rotted out. And that's the Dryden 3.